Okay, so Ritik, tell me what is your gate score?
So my gate score is 547.
Okay.
Yes.
So can you brief till now what are the different calls you have received?
Sir, I have received calls from IIT Madras,
Okay.
IIT Mandi, two calls from my first and second preference, and I have been shortlisted in IIT Jammu, IIT Guwahati, and IIT Tirupati.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So your latest interview was at IIT Mandi, right?
Yes, sir.
It was for control engineering, right?
Control system. Yes, sir.
So can you please brief, what was the different area they covered in the interview?
Sir, my interview was like 15 to 20 minutes, and mainly they asked questions from mathematics only.
Okay.
Only there was only one question from control system about controllability,
Okay.
and the rest all questions were from linear algebra and abstract
Okay.
algebra.
Okay. So what question they ask basically? What type of question?
Uh, okay, sir. So first of all, they started with linear algebra,
Hmm.
like many things about what is linear transformation, then what is rank nullity theorem, what is a null space, how is it related to kernel, and then they gave me a condition, a semi positive definite matrix, and they
Okay.
said that it is being linear transformed from one vector to the other, and so what is the maximum angle between these two vector take can have. And sir, then they gave me questions from system of equations, like
Okay.
homogeneous, non-homogeneous, both, and they asked me various conditions on which I shall have unique zero and infinite solutions. And sir, they then discussed about rank of a matrix, what is a rank, how do you define a rank, and then how what is a column space, how is it related with rank. These questions were there. And sir, then they went to control systems, and they asked only one questions about what is controllability,
Okay.
and so what is the test to know how the system is controllable or not, and how is it related to linear algebra. If I can say it physically, then how can I describe it. So
Okay.
these were the questions, and then they in mathematics they asked me about a vector space, what is a vector space, on which thing it is defined. So I said that is defined on a field. So then they went to abstract algebra. Field, what is a field, what is a group, what is the basic difference between field and group, what is an abelian group, and all those things they went. And sir, finally they asked about mainly about mathematics questions only. There was only one question on control system.
Okay. So didn't they ask anything about your major project and why you're interested in control system and all?
No, sir. First of all, at last they asked me that if I get in signal and control both, then which path I want to go and why.
No, you
uh,
told them that you also have the call from the signal processing, or they were knowing it about.
so they knew it from before. They only told me that you have got a
Okay.
call from signal also.
Okay. 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 Fine. 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 So okay. So what do you think? How was your performance? Hmm?
Sir, it was for me it was good only. I answered almost every questions what they asked.
Okay. So it was for MTech, right? MTech or
Sir,
MS?
MS, sir.
MS. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, Ritvik, thank you for sharing your experience. Okay.
Thank you,
Hopefully
sir.
you get the best response, right?
Thank you, sir.